In this video, I am going to show you how to make $160 a day with CPA marketing. And this is XP marketing with a new video. So in this video, I am literally going to show you one of the easiest way that you can use to start making money online. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right into the video. Alright, as you can see right on your screen, this is a simple landing page for a weight loss niche because I am going to be using weight loss niche to demonstrate how you can do this process step by step. And I promise if you stick to the end of this video, you will have everything you need to start making money from today. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to pick a niche. So I am going to show somewhere around the screen list of niches that you can start out with. Okay, so basically you can pause the video and you can select any of these niches to start with, or if you have a niche in mind already, then by all means feel free to go for that niche. So once you've chosen your niche of choice, the next thing you want to do is you want to head over to facebook.com. all right, so you want to join Facebook group in that niche. So once you've joined Facebook group in that niche, so all you just need to do is click on this join group. So there are a lot of groups that you can join in your niche. So basically, as you can see right here, I typed in weight loss support group. So basically you can see there are a lot of weight loss groups that I can join. And don't worry, we are not going to be spamming this group to death. So once you join this group, so if I click on this one as an example, so once you've joined any of the groups, you basically want to come to this create a post section and you want to choose one of these templates right here. Okay, whichever one you choose, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so if we go with this one as an example, then you want to make a simple post like this. All right, you want to type this out. As you can see, it says, I just created a WhatsApp group where I can teach people how to lose 10 pounds fast. Comment me down below to be added. All right, so basically you can reward it however you like it. Okay, so basically you want to create a WhatsApp group, of course, so I don't need to show you that. I believe you can figure that out. So once you create your WhatsApp group, a lot of people would start writing me below and you want to add them to that WhatsApp group. You don't have to use WhatsApp group only. You can get creative. You can use Instagram or whatever you want to use. All right, so basically you want to pick a platform that you want to add people to. So basically, once you've made that post, the next thing you want to do is you want to head over to breezy.io. Okay, so basically it's a free platform that you can create landing pages with for free. They have paid versions as well. You can click on the link below if you want to join this platform. All right, or basically you can just go to breezy.io direct and you can click on this get started now. All right, so once you click on that, basically it's a straight up registration. Confirm your email address and you are good. So once you have your account created, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. And like the example I showed in the beginning of this video, as you can see, it's a very simple landing page. And then once they join your group, you want to direct the traffic in your group to this landing page. Okay, so for the fact that they join your group, then you know for sure that they are interested in that niche. Okay, so you want to just basically go on to Google and you want to grab in some picture of that niche. As you can see, since we are using weight loss, I decided to go with a before and after photo that I can add to this landing page. So whatever niche you are doing, if it's the animal niche, you can just basically grab some picture of the animal and put it here, something like that. Okay, so you want to then go to idplr.com. So once you come onto idplr.com, there are a lot of contents that you can grab on idplr.com for free and you can promote it to your audience. All right, so as you can see right here, this is for weight loss. So if I click on this category right here, it's going to show me a list of weight loss products that I can download for free and I can give to my traffic. So basically this is one of the easiest way that you can use to start making money online. All right, so if you want to create this landing page, it's very easy. All you need to do once you are in your account, you want to click on this create new project. So once you do that, you want to go with this website and landing page option. All right, so it's going to bring the project right here. So you can give the project a name if you want so that you can be organized. So once you do that, you want to click on this edit project. And then once you're done, you want to click on this start. You want to click on this start building your page. And you want to click on this create your own. And then the first thing you want to do is you want to click on this plus button right here and you want to drag your text and then you want to place it inside this box. So once you paste your text right there, you want to also grab an image element. So once you grab an image element, you want to paste it. So once you grab an image element, you want to paste it underneath the text. All right. So once you do that, all you just need to do is give it a heading. So I'm just going to copy this one. So basically, I'm just going to paste in this one to save time. So the next thing you want to do is you want to import the image. So you just want to basically click on this image icon right here, and then you want to click on this upload, and you want to choose your image. So basically, once that is set, you can use this button right here to align the image properly however you want it. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it like this, and you want to click on the edge of this image and you want to drag it down so it doesn't look too big. So you want to hold this button below right here to have the whole image in display. So once you have that done, the next thing you want to do is you want to add a button, a call to action button underneath this. All right, and basically you can do the same thing. You can see I wrote click here to join. So basically you just want to type the same thing right here. All right, so basically, as you can see, the heading says 1 week foolproof weight loss training. All right, and like I showed you, you can grab any of this training right here from IDPLR, and then you can write in limited to 20 people so that you want to have people join this group as soon as they come to this landing page. So once they click on this button right here, they will be redirected to your content locker, which you can make on OG ads, or you can make it on CPA Grip. As you can see, earning for today on this CPA Grip account is $34, and it's simple strategies like this that make you money. So if I refresh this page right here, all right, you can see that everything remains the same. All right, and if you come to this right here, you can see this is a single conversion that made $12. And as you can see right here, as you can see, it's just a simple app install and it made over $12. All right, so basically this is how easy you can make money with content logging and CPA marketing. So you don't have to use OG ads alone. You can use other incentive network as well. You can use AdWork Media. You can use whatever network you want to use. So you can use CPA Grip too if you want to. So basically, you want to create a file locker on CPA Grip. You can't use content locker for this method, okay? You want to use a URL file locker. So basically, I have also made a video about how to create a URL file locker. So I'll leave the link down below if you want to go watch that video. All right, so once you create your content locker, you want to just copy the link, and then you want to go back to your landing page builder, and you want to click on the button, and you want to click on this link icon and paste the link to your URL file locker. So once you have that done, all right, the page is ready to go. And for those who are wondering how to change the color, so basically all you need to do is highlight the section of the color that you want, and then you want to click on the color picker button. So once you click on the color picker button, you can choose any color that you want. Okay, so as you can see right here, I changed it to blue. So basically you want to highlight any part of the text and give it any color of your choice. So once you're done with the landing page, I believe it's good to go. You want to click on this arrow right here, and you want to click on this publish page. So now our page is published. Now we want to click on this button and go back to the dashboard. All right, so now this is the page right here. So we want to give the page a name. As you can see, this is the one we created. If you can see the name, you can see the link right here, weightlossfree.breezy.south, and you can see it also has free SSL certificate as well. So you can also do the same thing for this one. You can rename this page so that it looks neat, and so you want to just basically give it any name. So basically you want to type in any name right here. So if I say weight loss, so I've chosen weight loss free, so let me say weight loss now. All right, let's see if that is available. Okay, that is available. All right, so if I click on this, okay, this is it right here, project 2. So if I click on this button right here, as you can see, it brought us to this landing page. Okay, so whenever your visitors click on this button, they will be redirected to your content locker. So basically that is all for this video, and if you have any question, leave them down below, and please don't forget to leave a like on this video. I do appreciate it, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace and love.